aircraft for that awesomely smooth landing. We made it safe. It is indeed our pleasure to welcome you to Dallas Fort Worth, where the local time is exactly 6:42 p.m. Now, for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. This will be your only indication that it is safe for you to get up and retrieve your items. Ladies and gentlemen,